Welcome to New Zealand, a land of breathtaking landscapes, adrenaline-pumping adventures, and rich cultural experiences. In this video, we'll take you on a journey through some of New Zealand's top cultural destinations, where you can immerse yourself in the vibrant heritage of this beautiful country. Number 1. Te Papa Tongarewa Museum, Wellington. Te Papa Tongarewa, commonly known as Te Papa, is New Zealand's national museum located in Wellington, the capital city. It offers a comprehensive exploration of New Zealand's cultural and natural history, with captivating exhibits spanning from Maori artifacts and colonial history to contemporary art and interactive displays. Visitors can immerse themselves in the stories of New Zealand's people, land, and heritage through engaging exhibits such as the colossal squid display, the Maori Cultural Treasures Collection, and the Earthquake House. Te Papa also hosts special exhibitions, events, and educational programs throughout the year. Number 2. Hobbiton Movie Set, Matamata. Situated in the rolling hills of Matamata in the Waikato region, the Hobbiton Movie Set is a must-visit destination for fans of J.R.R. Tolkien's Middle-earth saga and the acclaimed film adaptations by Peter Jackson. Visitors can embark on guided tours of the meticulously recreated Hobbit village, complete with charming hobbit holes, lush gardens, and iconic landmarks from the Lord of the Rings and the Hobbit trilogies. Highlights include Bag End, the Green Dragon Inn, and stunning panoramic views of the picturesque countryside. Guided tours offer fascinating insights into the filmmaking process and behind-the-scenes anecdotes, making it a magical experience for fans of fantasy and cinema alike. Number 3. Waitangi Treaty Grounds, Bay of Islands. Located in the beautiful Bay of Islands in the Northland region, the Waitangi Treaty Grounds hold immense historical significance as the site where the Treaty of Waitangi, New Zealand's founding document, was signed in 1840. Visitors can explore the expansive grounds, which include the Treaty House, the carved meeting house, Te Runanga, and the ceremonial waka, Maori canoe. Cultural performances, guided tours, and interactive exhibits provide insights into the history, culture, and ongoing significance of the treaty relationship between Maori and the Crown. The Waitangi Treaty Grounds offer a poignant and educational experience in a stunning natural setting. Number 4. Tamaki Maori Village, Rotorua. Nestled in the geothermal wonderland of Rotorua on New Zealand's North Island, Tamaki Maori Village offers an authentic and immersive cultural experience. Visitors are welcomed with a traditional pauhiri, Maori welcome ceremony, before embarking on a journey into Maori culture and heritage. Highlights include interactive demonstrations of traditional arts and crafts, exhilarating haka performances, and a sumptuous hangi feast cooked in earth ovens. Knowledgeable guides share stories, legends, and customs, providing valuable insights into Maori traditions and values. Tamaki Maori Village offers a warm and welcoming environment for visitors to connect with the spirit of Aotearoa. Number 5. Arts Centre, Christchurch. Situated in the heart of Christchurch, the Arts Centre is a vibrant cultural precinct housed within meticulously restored heritage buildings. Originally serving as the University of Canterbury, the Arts Centre now boasts a diverse range of galleries, studios, theatres, and artisan shops showcasing the best of New Zealand's arts and crafts. Number 6. Otago Peninsula, Dunedin. The Otago Peninsula, located near the city of Dunedin on New Zealand's South Island, is renowned for its stunning landscapes, rich history, and abundant wildlife. Visitors can explore historic landmarks such as Larnock Castle, New Zealand's only castle, with its beautifully landscaped gardens and panoramic views. The peninsula is also home to diverse ecosystems, including coastal cliffs, sandy beaches, and native forests, providing opportunities for scenic walks, wildlife spotting, and outdoor adventures. Nature enthusiasts can observe rare and endangered species, such as the royal albatross, yellow-eyed penguin, and fur seals in their natural habitats. The Otago Peninsula offers a perfect blend of culture, history, and natural beauty. Number 7. Wakarawarawa, the Living Maori Village, Rotorua. Wakarawarawa, also known as the Living Maori Village, is a unique cultural attraction located in Rotorua's geothermal valley. This traditional Maori village is built upon a geothermal landscape, where bubbling mud pools, steaming geysers, and colorful thermal springs provide a dramatic backdrop to daily life. Visitors can experience authentic Maori culture through guided tours, cultural performances, and interactive demonstrations of weaving, carving, and traditional cooking techniques. The village's residents, known as Te Arawa, warmly welcome visitors and share their knowledge, traditions, and stories, creating a memorable and immersive cultural experience. Number 8. Waiheke Island, Auckland Waiheke Island, situated in the Hauraki Gulf, just a short ferry ride from downtown Auckland, is a haven of natural beauty, artistic expression, and culinary delights. Renowned for its stunning beaches, rolling vineyards, and picturesque coastal villages, Waiheke offers a relaxing escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. Visitors can explore art galleries, sculpture parks, and boutique shops showcasing the work of local artists and artisans. Wine enthusiasts can indulge in tastings at world-class vineyards, sampling award-winning wines against the backdrop of breathtaking sea view. Number 9. Pataka Art Plus Museum, Porirua, Pataka. Art Plus Museum, located in the city of Porirua near Wellington, is a dynamic cultural institution dedicated to showcasing the diversity and creativity of Maori and Pacific Island art and culture. The museum's galleries feature contemporary artworks, traditional artifacts, and rotating exhibitions that explore themes of identity, heritage, and social issues. Visitors can admire intricate carvings, vibrant paintings, and multimedia installations created by both established and emerging artists. Pataka also hosts cultural events, workshops, and educational programs designed to engage with the local community and promote cross-cultural understanding. With its innovative programming and commitment to inclusivity, Pataka Art Plus Museum is a vibrant cultural hub in the heart of Porirua. Number 10. Zealandia, Wellington, Zealandia, located just a short drive from downtown Wellington, is an eco-sanctuary and conservation project dedicated to protecting New Zealand's native flora and fauna. This 225-hectare wildlife sanctuary is surrounded by predator-proof fencing, creating a safe haven for endangered species to thrive. Visitors can explore lush native forests, tranquil lakes, and meandering walking trails while encountering iconic New Zealand wildlife, such as kiwi birds, tuatara, and saddleback. Guided tours, interactive exhibits, and night tours offer opportunities to learn about conservation efforts and the importance of preserving New Zealand's unique biodiversity. Zealandia provides a peaceful retreat into nature and a fascinating insight into New Zealand's conservation heritage. New Zealand's cultural destinations offer a diverse range of experiences that celebrate the nation's heritage, creativity, and natural beauty. Whether exploring museums, Maori villages, historic sites, or artistic hubs, visitors are invited to immerse themselves in the stories, traditions, and landscapes that make Aotearoa truly special. Subscribe to our channel for more travel guides and cultural insights. And don't forget to leave a comment below sharing your favorite cultural destination in New Zealand, or any experiences you've had exploring this beautiful country. We'd love to hear from you.